change the front gear case fluid and your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Then, place a drain pan underneath the drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Next, clean the area around the fill plug in the right front wheel well. Now, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Then, inspect both plugs and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches, and replace if necessary. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Now, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, add the recommended fluid through the fill plug hole until the fluid is even with the bottom of the fill plug hole. Then, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Next, clean any residual fluid around the drain and fill plugs and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.